In Green Cove Springs, homes are as diverse as the people who live in them. From classic southern cottages and historic riverfront homes to sleek, newly built residences, the town offers a beautiful blend of traditional and modern architecture. When it comes to window replacement, finding the right style to complement your home's design is essential, not only for visual harmony but also for maintaining property value and curb appeal. Fortunately, today's window designs offer endless versatility. Whether your home reflects timeless charm or contemporary simplicity, you can find replacement windows that enhance its character while delivering modern performance benefits like energy efficiency and durability. Here's how to balance style and function when upgrading your windows in Green Cove Springs. Respecting the character of traditional homes. If you live in one of Green Cove Springs' charming older homes, your goal may be to preserve its classic architectural details. Traditional homes often feature wood siding, ornate trim, and symmetrical facades, all of which pair beautifully with heritage-style windows. Double-hung windows are a timeless choice that fits perfectly with colonial, craftsman, and Victorian-style homes. Their balanced, vertical design maintains historical accuracy while offering modern conveniences like tilt-in sashes for easy cleaning and improved insulation. Other great traditional options include bay and bow windows, which add dimension and accentuate classic exteriors. Casement windows with grid patterns that mimic the craftsmanship of vintage homes. Wood-clad or simulated wood frames, which recreate the look of original wooden windows without the upkeep. By selecting modern windows designed to replicate classic aesthetics, homeowners can maintain their property's authentic look while improving comfort and energy efficiency. Enhancing the clean lines of modern homes. For Green Cove Springs' newer or recently remodeled homes, the emphasis is often on simplicity, natural light, and open space. Modern window designs focus on large panes, minimalist frames, and unobstructed views, the perfect way to highlight Florida's bright skies and lush surroundings. Picture windows are ideal for contemporary homes, offering a sleek, fixed-pane design that maximizes natural light and captures outdoor views like a living piece of art. Pairing them with sliding or awning windows adds functionality without sacrificing the modern aesthetic. Other popular choices for modern properties include casement windows with clean, narrow frames that blend seamlessly into the architecture. Black or bronze finishes, which add striking contrast and a sophisticated edge to modern facades. Aluminum or fiberglass frames, known for their durability and sleek appearance. These designs not only look stylish but also perform efficiently, helping maintain interior comfort during Green Cove Springs' warm, humid seasons. Blending traditional charm with modern convenience. Many homeowners in Green Cove Springs find themselves updating older homes with modern features, a balance of old-world charm and new-world performance. The key is to choose transitional window styles that merge both design philosophies seamlessly. For instance, grills between glass windows provide the look of divided panes found in historic homes while keeping cleaning easy and maintenance minimal. Similarly, customized color finishes can help bridge the gap. For example, choosing a soft white or almond tone for a classic exterior paired with a matte black interior for a contemporary touch. Transitional homes also benefit from energy-efficient glass options that maintain comfort without altering the home's aesthetic. Low-E coatings, UV blocking layers, and insulated frames offer sustainability without compromising design integrity. Choosing the right materials for aesthetic longevity. Aesthetic appeal isn't just about style, it's about how materials age over time. In Green Cove Springs, where humidity and rain are common, choosing durable, low-maintenance materials is crucial. Vinyl windows are affordable, versatile, and available in a variety of finishes that mimic natural wood. Fiberglass windows combine sleek design with exceptional strength and weather resistance. Wood-clad frames give traditional homes a rich, authentic appearance while protecting the exterior from the elements. Selecting materials that complement your home's character while standing up to Florida's climate ensures your windows remain beautiful and functional for years to come. The power of professional guidance. Ultimately, window replacement is both an aesthetic and technical decision. Working with a local Green Cove Springs window specialist ensures that your new windows match your home's design and meet performance standards suited to the area's climate. Local experts can help you select styles, finishes, and materials that blend seamlessly with your home. Whether you're preserving historical detail, embracing modern architecture, or striking a balance between both. Final thoughts: in a picturesque community like Green Cove Springs, the right windows do more than brighten a room. They connect your home to its architectural story. By choosing designs that respect your home's history, complement its modern updates, and perform efficiently year-round, you'll achieve the perfect harmony of beauty, comfort, and sustainability. With the guidance of experienced local professionals, your window replacement project will not only enhance your home's style but also stand as a reflection of Green Cove Springs' timeless charm and modern appeal.